Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're doing a little bit of a different video. I'm going to be doing a little Sunday in my life, a little Sunday reset, just basically how I end the week off on a good note, but also start the week off on a good note. So I've already had my coffee, my breakfast, and I kind of like to take my Sunday mornings a little bit more easy, just, you know, relax, drink my coffee, eat my breakfast, maybe watch a little bit of YouTube. If it's nice outside, go sit outside, enjoy the sunshine, listen to the birds. But it's a really nice day, but unfortunately it's very, very wet because it rained last night, so I didn't get to do that this morning, but it's okay. But anyways, you guys, I got a package from Adore, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that I picked up. And I'm also gonna pick something from that order to wear today, so let's go ahead and dive right in. So the first thing I picked up is a little matching set, and I think this is actually what I'm gonna wear today. So it is a little matching short set. So these are what the shorts look like right here. They're super cute. I love this color. And then we have the matching top. It is a little hoodie, but it's nice and thin and light, and I think this is gonna be perfect for today. And I just love this color. I think it's really different. It's kind of like a charcoal blue, and I just think it's stunning. So I think this is probably what I'm going to end up wearing today. Next, I went ahead and picked up this gorgeous little bodysuit right here. This is so pretty. I love this kind of like heathered, kind of like a charcoal black, I guess you could say. And it does also have working buttons as well. And then the bottom, you just unbutton like that as well. But I think this is so gorgeous. I love this. Again, the material is really nice and light, and it just feels so soft. I'm so excited for this, you guys. So I picked up a little, like, kind of like a nightie or a slip dress. I love to sleep in these. I am the type of person, I get very hot at night, so I just love to sleep in stuff like this. It's so nice and light and comfy, and this is just so cute. I love the little, like, lace detail on this as well on the side there. So pretty. I cannot wait to wear this. I also went ahead and picked up a little scrunchie. I thought this was so adorable. I love the print on this. It's a nice floral for spring. Just so cute. I had to pick it up. And then last but not least, I went ahead and picked up a little bra and underwear set. So I'll show you the bra first. This is truly the most gorgeous bra I have ever seen in my entire life. It just reminds me of like a princess. Like, I don't know what it is about it, but the straps, I love them so much. They're like a nice lace, and then you have the regular strap there as well, and then just everything about this is so gorgeous. And these are the matching underwear right here, so the same exact design and color, and they do again have that lace and a little tiny bow at the front there. So cute. I love Adore bra and underwear sets, you guys. They're such good quality, but they're also so comfortable, and that's honestly one of the main things for me when it comes to bras and underwear. I have to have it comfortable on the body, and these are just out of this world. If you haven't already tried them, highly recommend. I just love literally everything about Adore. Their website is also just so easy to use and so easy to shop on as well. I love how everything's laid out. They're also super size inclusive, and like I said, the quality of everything is just absolutely amazing.
Also, don't forget to use the link in my description for a welcome offer, and that will allow you to get your first set for $24.
So like I said, if you haven't tried Adore out, I highly recommend. I think you're going to absolutely love them. I know I do. Even the robe I have on today is from Adore. I get so many questions about this robe whenever I wear it, and it's from Adore and it's super comfy and I love it. So highly recommend, definitely check them out. And thank you so much Adore for sponsoring this portion of today's video. But anyways, let's go ahead and change into our outfit of the day. So we have our little comfy outfit of the day. The first thing I want to do today is actually clean. That is something that I always do on Sundays. But today I actually want to do a really good deep clean of my bedroom. It's not that it's super messy, but it just hasn't had a good deep clean in a little bit, so it needs a good dusting, vacuum. I also have to wash my walls, clean the mirrors, just everything like that. So that is first on our little checklist, so that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of an overview of my room from here. So my bed is not made yet. These also have to be washed, but Tang is comfy right now, so I'm gonna leave them. Obviously those lights over there aren't always there, just have them for extra light when I'm filming. But all this area needs to be cleaned, obviously, because I just did my makeup, so my makeup's kind of everywhere. And then yeah, things just need to be dusted and stuff like that. So that is what we're gonna do today. All right, let's go ahead and clean this area up first. You guys, I love the smell of the Swiffer Wet Jet stuff. It smells unreal. I gotta say, I can't stand mopping. Like, it's one of my least favorite things to do. I hate it. Like, I'd rather just grab the Swiffer Wet Jet and give it a go, but on days where I'm like, okay, my floor really needs a good scrub, I will mop. But I gotta say, my bedroom floor doesn't really get too dirty. So the Swiffer Wet Jet does a great job. I really love this thing. Okay, I'm gonna wash my walls, which is a task I can't stand doing, but I'm gonna do it. So I just have this little like scrubber thing with the long handle, and I got this from the dollar store. I think it was about $3 or something like that. And then I have some Fabuloso in a little spray bottle right here. So blue Fabuloso, you guys, smells amazing. Okay, pretty much the last step of my deep clean today. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my mirrors and then just change my bedding and throw that in the wash a little bit later. But I'm just using the Method Glass and Surface. Sometimes I use a microfiber towel, and then sometimes I just use some good old paper towel. So just depends on what I'm feeling. I actually have quite a bit of laundry that needs to be washed today. So I have my bedding, but then I also have my regular laundry as well. So it's gonna be quite a bit of laundry today. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw my regular laundry in the wash first, and then I'll do my bedding a little bit later. First load of laundry is in. Sorry if you guys can hear the washer in the background, but now we're gonna go ahead and get some baking done. Something I love to do every single Sunday is bake. And today, you guys, we are gonna make some raspberry cheesecake. This is probably the best cheesecake I've ever made. I made it last week for the first time ever. I typically always make cherry cheesecake, but I had a bunch of raspberries, so I was like, I'm gonna do a cheesecake with it. And it was so good. So I didn't really follow a recipe online or anything like that for the cheesecake, but what I'll do if you guys are interested and you want to make it yourself is I'll just write it out either in the comments or the description bars, just in case you guys want to make it at home, which I highly recommend because it is absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to baking. So the cheesecake's in the oven, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for that. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna kind of plan my week out. Not like a strict plan, like I do this at a certain time and stuff like that, but just more so like if I have a day where I have to film something. So say for example, Tuesday I have to film, I'll write that down. Wednesday if I have to shoot content for TikTok or Instagram, I'll write that down, or if I have any brand deals. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do now, and I just put that right in my notes app on my phone. I find honestly that's the best way for me to do it. If I write it down, sometimes I forget. So if it's on my phone, I know I'll be looking at it. All right, so I'm gonna take Tang for a little walk, and then we're gonna go out and feed the birds. So I did just go ahead and change into a pair of like joggers, just because it's definitely not short weather out right now. Springtime in Canada is very odd. It's a really nice sunny day and it is warm, but that wind is still very cold. So definitely not short weather yet, unfortunately. Also, you guys, before we go out, I want to show you guys the pheasant that we have around the house. He has been around probably since this time last year, and he's so big. Unfortunately, you can't see him that well on camera, but he is so big. I feed this guy every single day basically, and there is another one as well, but I don't see her today. So I'm just gonna wait till he's done eating before I go out because I'll scare him away if I do. Okay, so we just got in from being outside, and oh my goodness, is it ever windy outside. My hair was going everywhere, but I took the cheesecake out. It has cooled down now, so we're gonna go ahead and put the raspberry topping on top. And this is the finished cheesecake. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to have a piece. My hair is in a bun now, my glasses are on, my contacts were just driving me insane. I had to take them out, and I just had my robe on because it got a little bit chilly, but I just have my second load of laundry in right now. I still have to do my bedding, but I'll just do that a little bit later. But yeah, for the time being, I'm just gonna relax a little bit, probably answer a few emails, and probably also endlessly scroll on TikTok on my phone.